episode of Auto Culture, syempre Season 2. Syempre kasama niyo pa rin ang inyong host, Brian Conan. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Super Sprint Clinic at EFCT Exhibit Center, Marikina City. Okay, so guys, papakilala ko na organizer and also instructor, Sir Mike and Miss Donna Mamili. So Donna, thank you. Sir Mike, alam ko busy tayo. Alam ko ba nag-start ang Super Sprint Clinic ko? I think parang kasi
started around 8.
Ganoon, oo. Kasi alam ko, call time, 7:30 yata nakalagay. So, okay, Sir Mike and Miss Donna, please tell us about Super Sprint Super Sprint muna. Siyempre, ma-video natin.
It's a car racing event,
okay.
Especially for beginners with little to no experience.
So,
target talaga namin is yung mga beginners.
Beginners talaga. Kasi I think ang mga course nila medyo ba?
It's not that technical.
No, yun natin.
Basically the turns that you're gonna use sa kalsada. Yung mga left turn, right turn sa kalsada. Isa sa basic turns yung ginagawa.
Okay. Sir Mike, additional to sa Super Sprint, para natin sa mga viewer natin, mga newbies dyan na gustong tumangkilik sa
We made Super Sprint for beginners because we know that if you have no experience in racing, it is too intimidating to join an official race.
Yeah.
So, kaya namin ginawa to. So, most nang sumasali sa amin, around 10 to 20% lang yung may experience talaga sa racing. The rest, the 80%, talagang totally beginners. There are a lot of them na talagang first time lang nilang makaka-experience ng karera.
This one, para at least iba kasi na-intimidate ka agad. Pag kunwari nakikita mo na yung bilis, syempre ikaw parang hindi ko kaya. So, good thing with Super Sprint, sabi nyo nga, is for beginners. So guys, subukan na natin. So, okay. So, syempre, Sir Mike and Miss Donna. So, what is Super Sprint Clinic dito sa event na to? Ano bang nandito?
Super Sprint Clinic is basically as a practice for the newbies na gusto sumali. At the same time, we also share our knowledge and experience dun sa mga gustong pumarera. So, like us, yung organizers, we also race in other events. But here, we try to share what we knew para dun sa mga bagong gustong pumarera.
Sige, ano bang sa clinic? Ano bang meron dito sa clinic na additional po?
Well, as what he said, this is basically a training ground for all those racers that want to join the Super Sprint series. So, all the techniques, the things that they need to know in terms of racing in Super Sprint, they will learn here.
Yes. Kasi Sir Mike, Miss Donna, pag newbie ka talaga, medyo minsan, yun nga, kailangan aware ka rin dun sa mga cones, gano'n.
Yes.
And good thing with the Super Sprint Clinic is nandito kayo to help the new drivers para at least makapag-realize, gano'n. At least yung kabog nila sa dibdib, boss, medyo mawala pagdating sa karera.
Yeah, even the correct positioning of your arms, your legs during when you are inside your car, we teach it here. All the basics.
Ito, personal question, Sir Mike, Miss Donna, even yung pagtapak ng gasolina, gano'n?
Yes.
Like what I said, we try to share what we learned sa mga karerang ginawa namin, sa mga training na nagawa namin before. So everything matters, from the seating position to how is your arms when you turn, braking points, everything that we can teach, we will teach.
So those basic techniques, we usually do it in the driver's briefing in the morning before the
race.
Before the actual
practice.
So it's really essential for the drivers to be here early.
And nga pala, Miss Donna and Sir Mike, bagitin ko na sa mga viewers of Auto Culture, syempre, the clinic is, tama ba? It's parang whole day.
The training and instructors, sumasama sila doon sa mga beginners natin at the first half of this morning. So later on, after lunch, we will have the time runs na. So they can see then how they can improve.
Improve time.
Yes. So that they can see if they're getting faster.
Baka sa akin, dito lakad yung bumaba,
Papababain natin.
Yun, sana bumaba, Sir Mike. Thank you. And syempre, of course, Ma'am, syempre si Ma'am Donna in terms of the organizing, and syempre also Sir Mike, ano ba kailangan ni driver para pumunta sa clinic? Ano ba kailangan? Ano ba yung mga...
The helmet.
Okay.
You should have a proper helmet. Number 2 is dapat yung car mo is in good condition. Meaning walang leaks ng oil, nasa condition yung gulong, nasa condition yung engine, the brakes, everything. But tip-top condition ng kotse.
Yes. Oh.
Pero even though your car is bone stock, you can join here.
Pwedeng mag-join.
Yes, actually it's better because when the car is stock and when you get to the limit of the stock car, when you upgrade, then everything will matter.
Oo, kumbaga mas nakakaano pa yun?
Mas sulit.
Mas sulit.
Mas nagagamit mo yung nilalagay mo sa kotse.
Kumbaga, nalaman mo lang kung hindi dapat may unang
Yes, yes,
tires,
exactly.
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 Kumbaga, hindi ka nawawala doon sa mga
Yes.
So, yes. Miss Donna, may ano ba? So, syempre, ano bang kailangan? Is there any payment? Or
The payment for the clinic is 1,500. That's for the full day already. And then, I would just like to add, sa sinabi ni Mike kanina, aside from the helmet, and then tip-top shape, yung cars nila, the drivers also must wear the proper attire. Like,
Number 1, bago sa amin shorts.
Yeah.
Shorts,
Wear
oh.
long pants.
Long
Yeah.
pants.
And you also have a working seatbelt.
Yun, yun. So, babanggitin ko na kasi nung, I remember how to, di ba, sa scrutiny, di ba?
Yes.
Kailangan check mo na, sabi ko,
Yes.
paano pala ito pag hindi dumidiretso.
Yes.
Okay, so, Sir Mike, may additional ba? Sa mga kailangan pa ng mga driver dyan ng gusto sumali ng super sprint.
Well, isa lang siguro is, if you want to try racing,
Yun.
please do join us.
Yes.
Because this is why we made this. It's for the people who want to try racing. But
so it's like a training ground for all those people or drivers that wants to make their career in car racing.
Okay.
actually, our aim also here is someday these new drivers will come and join us in other races.
In other races.
That's our aim.
Oh, yun
so
naman
that lumaki yung community natin.
Lumaking community, yun ang kagandahan doon. Sige, boss, I'm sure you're very busy sa Mas Donna and Sir Mike. Boss, shoutouts po tayo and invite tayo sa mga gusto sumali ng Super Sprint. Siyempre, sana pa nadala ko na yung sasakyan ko. Okay, nangihinayang ako. Okay, boss, Sir Ma'am Donna, please, promote mo
Guys,
tayo.
we would like to invite you to join our Super Sprint series. So the second round will be this coming May. And for this year, we'll be having 4 rounds.
4 rounds.
4 rounds. And then,
And we're thinking of adding a few special rounds.
Ay, ma'am, ano lang paano 4 rounds siya? Ito guys,
Bale, 4 rounds, meaning 4 official rounds siya. 4 races.
Okay.
So, 4 different days siya. So, maybe it's like every 2 months or every month?
no. It's every 3 months.
Every 3 months.
It's every quarter.
Every
quarter.
oh.
That's why we were thinking of adding some special rounds so that we can fill up the dates in the middle.
Okay. Yun, so I'm sorry, Mas Donna. Go, sige po, invite mo tayo. And promo. Go.
There. So again, we would like to invite you to join our Super Sprint series. So we will also be having another schedule for the clinic. I think for every year we'll be having 2 clinics.
2 minutes.
Yeah. So round 2 is on May.
Oh,
So see you
Just
there.
follow our Facebook
Yun,
page.
Facebook,
Yeah,
social
for
media
the-
tayo,
for
boss.
the-
So that you can
Exactly.
be updated with our latest events.
Okay, sige. Boss, yung mga natin, sponsors of Super Sprint.
Super Sprint would like to
Like to thank. Sige,
Super
boss.
Sprint would like to thank you, Project Vector, Parts Pro, Fixed Stop Auto Service, Walter Sound and Stage Lighting, Vika Residencia, Auto Performance PH, Dyno Pro Philippines, Clean Shine Master, Runstop PH, Fabrics Eco Filter PH, Pegasus Auto Lamp Philippines, Aguila Auto Glass, Hazard Boy Performance Parts, Brand 8 Inc., Edgeport, Prototype Auto Restoration, and Red Bull Philippines.
Yun, okay. Ang dami. Yan ang kagandahan sa Super Sprint. Daming sponsors. Okay. So, Miss Donna, okay na?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Mike, thank you, Miss Donna. And so,
Thank you very much.
Oo, thank you. So, guys, ayan, ako excited na ako to check yung mga cars ng mga participants. And, of course, this is Brian Cunanan, and this is Auto Culture.